So to do the shoulder and back bench stretch active, we're going to come across the bench and we're going to try and make sure the head is resting. Yeah, I'm going to brace the ribcage and I'm going to tuck that tailbone. So I'm like thrusting my glute. So I'm going to think one deep breath in, one deep breath out, bringing the arms overhead. Make sure that your shoulder blades are still scooping underneath the armpits and not reaching towards your ears too much. So you want to slide them slightly down. I'm holding here. I'm not letting go of my weight. The next deep breath, I'm going to start drawing my ribcage down and pulling on my thoracic spine. So I'm not letting go of my bum. I still tuck my tailbone underneath. Yeah. From here, I'm going to take another deep breath in, and on the breath out, I'm going to slowly articulate my lumbar. Now I can bring my bum down. On the next breath, I'm going to start closing in the ribcage and the pelvis again, and you're going to see and feel what happens in your shoulders. And exhale. We're working a bit more through the lats here, through the core to support. And we're going to take one more breath, maybe increase that stretch a bit more, feel the back working into that extension, and slowly take it back.